What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to open up a locked door where the lock has failed. So in this case here, it's a bedroom door lock and it's got a privacy lock on there, which means you can lock it from the inside. In case of an emergency, you're supposed to be able to open it up from the outside as well using a butter knife or a spoon or a key. Turn this over to the left from the outside and that'll unlock the door. So in this case here, the lock had failed, couldn't be opened from the outside or the inside. Their child was locked inside their bedroom. The owner decided to make the expensive decision to kick the door down. You can see there he's damaged the door on the front and also split it all the way down the side. So in this case here, he made that decision. I'm going to show you guys the easiest way, least invasive, cheapest way to open up this door. And the only thing we're going to have to replace at the end is the lock itself, which is about $10 and about 5 minutes of your time. A lot of people try and put shims down the side of the door. It's easier said than done. It is possible. However, most times you'll have part of the door jamb sticking out, which will block that section out and you won't be able to do it. So this way here, we're only going to replace the lock. Let's do this. So if we have a look at the lock itself, we can see here it's got two screws that hold the handle in place, and these are usually not accessible because they're supposed to be on the inside of the door. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill two holes on the outside to be able to gain access to these two screw points. So we're going to start off by drilling two pilot holes, one on either side, roughly where the screws would be on the other side of the door. So once that's done, that's what it looks like. You can see there that's perfectly in line with where the screw threads go into both sides. What we're going to do now is get a bigger size drill bit and we're going to make this hole a little bit bigger. So once again, just make that a bit bigger. Now we've got complete access to the threads and also the screw. In the middle, you can see the screw, basically just the end of it right there in the middle. And then on the outside, we've got a rivet. That rivet is what's holding the threads in. And what we're going to do now is use that big drill bit and we're going to drill out that rivet. Once that's done, you can see we've completely removed that rivet compared to the other side. And we can see that the lock is actually loose on the right hand side now. So once again, we're going to remove the rivet on the left. So once you've drilled through both sides, this should completely come off. And we can push through the other side. And then all we're left with is the latch. So as you can see, right now that we've got the latch, we can use a screwdriver, just a flathead screwdriver, put that straight through the middle, and we can turn the latch over like that. Once that's manually done, we can now open up the door. And that is how you open it without damaging the actual door, guys. So there you have it, guys. There's an easy way to open up the door without having to kick it down. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.